North Star Alarm.
Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you guys how to mount a motion sensor, the DSC PowerG motion specifically. So with the motion you got a couple different options, and I'll walk you through what they are here. So first off, take the cover off the motion. There's a little tab you can push into the bottom here, like that. Pop this open. This is where you put in the battery as well. This is the pet immunity screen. So if you have pets around the house, you can put this in and it'll block the motion detector from seeing basically the bottom third of its range. So if you put that in, you can see that. If you don't have any pets, you don't need to worry about it. Take it out. When it comes to actually mounting the motion, you have a couple different options. You can either use screws that come in the box, or it also comes with two-sided tape. Important thing to note is that it comes with two brackets. So this first one here is the corner bracket. So this is for mounting it in the corner of the room. And then this is a flat bracket. So you just put it against the wall, like above a door, for example. So either way, you would use the two-sided tape and stick these to the wall, or you would use the screws and a drill and screw them into the wall. They have like little sections here cut out for the screws. So when it actually comes to mounting the sensor, what you want to do height-wise is anywhere from 6 to 8 feet, so usually 7 feet. Good marker for that is usually just a door frame. Doors tend to be usually 6 feet 8 inches tall, so they're right around there. So to actually mount it, you would just find your location where you want to put your door sensor. And then if you're using the two-sided tape, you would just slide this bracket on like this. Or if you were using the drill, you would want to drill this to the wall first, and then once it's on, you would slide the motion on. To wrap up, I'll just show you guys a close look at this back bracket. So you would slide it on, you'd hear a click. If you ever decide you need to move the motion, you would pop this cover off by pushing on this tab. Pops off like that. You would take the battery out, and you can see here, there's this little slot in here with a little arrow. What you'll do is you take your screwdriver, or whatever fits in there, push down on that back tab, and the motion sensor will slide down like this. You would pop it off the wall. If this is screwed in, you would just take it off. If it's the two-sided tape, you would just twist it, try to pop it off, do your best to not rip the paint off the wall. The tape that it comes with is a bit sticky, so just a heads up. And then you would just move this to where you want it to be. And you would move it, slide this back on, good to go. And that is how you would move it.